Shubham Mangalam, I am Kartika from 9th standard. Today I am going to tell about cells. Cells are the basic unit of the body. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. The cell has some cell organelles in it. The cell organelles perform a specific function within the cell. Here we have a 3D animation about the cell. This is the cell membrane, and inside the cell membrane we have cytoplasm and other cell organelles. Inside the nucleus we have DNA. Now let's talk about animal cell. There are two types of cells, plant cell and animal cell. The major difference between both of them is plant cell have an additional layer after the cell membrane, that is the cell wall. Microscope is used to view the cells more clearly. As cells cannot be viewed with a naked eye, we use microscope to view them. Discovery of cell. The cell was first discovered in the year 1665 by the scientist named Robert Hooke. He observed the cells using a simplified microscope. This is what he observed. Cell theory. Schleiden and Schwann were the two scientists who proposed the cell theory. Schleiden was a botanist while Schwann was a zoologist. They both proposed that all living organisms are made up of cells. Now we will discuss about the cell organelles which are present in an animal cell. Nucleus. The nucleus is a round dense part which is present in between the cell. It is present between the cytoplasm and the cell membrane. Inside nucleus we have nucleolus, and the fluid present around the nucleolus is called nucleoplasm. Inside nucleoplasm we have chromatin. Inside nucleolus we have genetic material such as DNA and RNA. Now we will talk about endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of passage that transports proteins, fats, lipids from one part of the cell to the other. Basically, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes on it. That is the reason it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is a site for protein manufacturing, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a site for fats and lipids manufacturing. Here we have a small animation video about rough endoplasmic reticulum. The small circular balls over here represent the ribosomes. Now we will discuss about the Golgi body. The fats, proteins and lipids which are manufactured in the endoplasmic reticulum is sent to the Golgi body. The function of the Golgi body is to pack them and distribute it to all the cell organelles equally. Here we have a small animation video about the Golgi body. The fats, lipids enter into the Golgi body and they get packed and released. Now let us see about mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria's function is to digest the proteins and generate power energy from them. The biological and chemical process of the cell is known as cellular respiration. Now let us look at lysosome. Lysosomes contain destructive enzymes in them. The unwanted substances that the cell organelles don't require is sent to the lysosome. The lysosome digests them. Here we have a small animation video about the lysosomes. The unwanted substances enter into the lysosome and the destructive enzymes which are present in lysosome digest them. But sometimes this lysosome bulges and bursts. When it bursts, the destructive enzymes spreads all over the cell and the cell gets destroyed and eventually it dies. So that's all about the cell. I hope you all liked it. Thank you.